This is what we're making in this video, a very simple bench to go in our recently built Catio. This bench is made entirely from reclaimed bed slats. Yep, the kind of thing charity shops in the UK can't sell and often have to pay someone to dispose of. I do them a favour by taking it away for free. I store the slats under a tarpaulin. It keeps them dry-ish. I unload everything onto my loyal kitchen table with an extendable table from, you guessed it, the charity shop at the back as my workbench extension. It's not fancy, but it's the same height and it's officially a workstation, and that is science. Removing old staples is oddly satisfying. My tools? A flathead screwdriver, pliers, and the finest tub money can buy, a Kelly's ice cream tub, Cornish Clotted Cream, you know the one. Not sponsored by them, but I should be. I learned all of this making pallet slat headboards last year. Check out my video on the channel. Cutting and measuring. Now we cut the slats to size. 1 long, 2 short. I use my Mitre saw and stop blocks to cut everything the same length and keep things consistent. This sounds professional, it wasn't. First and third levels are the same. Second and fourth match each other as well. Stop blocks saved a load of time, and I should have made a top tip video for that. Next time, maybe. Offcuts. Straight into the offcut bag. Watch this. First one, boom, bullseye. Second one, boom, also in. Coincidence or skill? You let me know in the comments. Should I take up darts? Or have I left it too late, with Luke Littler being younger than some of the tools I'm using here? Drilling and assembly. 3 power tools will make your life easier here. 1, drill the holes. 2, countersink. And 3, drive the screws in. Or combine 1 and 2 with countersink drill bits. Or just use 1 drill and go for the world record in swapping bits every 12 seconds. Whatever floats your boat. Me, I'm a free spirit. Or should that be 3 spirit? Okay, I'll get my coat. This last slat is a little wonky donkey, but don't worry, it's fine. Glue will fix it. Glue fixes everything, including self-esteem. Although that might not be true. I might have read that somewhere on Wikipedia or something. Now I like to do a full dry run and then disassemble everything before glue up. So yes, you are now watching a video of me unbuilding the bench. Gluing. Right, glue on. Some people wipe the excess glue away right away with a damp cloth. Not me. I wait till it dries and gets like cement and then make life harder for myself. I use a paint scraper to get most of it off, and then a little rasp to go between the chamfered edges, and then a belt sander, gently, followed by the orbital sander, aggressively. Now, YouTube will tell you to keep your sander flat with light pressure. Not me. I'll tell you to tilt it, press it down hard, and go deep into those sexy curves. Right, final cuts at the table saw. This part looked really sketchy, doesn't it? Yeah? Don't worry. I don't even get to switch the table saw on. I can't get it in. And in the end, the trusty DeWalt circular saw and a spirit level as a very poor man's track saw keeps the job done. Keep an eye on the garage door at this point. Bailey the dog is quality control on this project, and he's not impressed. Now, when I finish building my time machine and go back 200 years to be a proper woodworker, I'm going to try and squeeze in 1 power tool to the DeLorean, and the circular saw is the one for me. It's still my favourite tool of all time. Now, finishing. Usually my least favourite part. This time I tried plying with a cloth instead of a brush. It works, but it's messy. Beauty shots now. And it's rustic, it's full of charm, and it's free of charge. It also stopped wood going into landfill. It will do is the standard I was aiming for, and I think I've achieved it. But what do the cats think? And off we go to the Catio. This was built recently. There's a video for that on the channel here because it was made by Shay. And here are our very happy customers. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you think I should take up darts, or if you just want to say hi to Bailey, although he has his own channel. I'm sure you'll find it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click on like. If you didn't, or you think you can tell me how to improve, please comment below. Now I've lined up another video that I think you might like, but if you want to see more of my videos, why not subscribe? And if you change the bell notification, you'll be amongst the first to see my new stuff as it comes along. If not, hope you enjoyed. See you again. Lovely. Bye.